Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel IBRAHIMA NGOM ATTITUDE. If you have questions, you can write on the first number on WhatsApp or just email me. On my YouTube channel IBRAHIMA NGOM ATTITUDE, I have already dealt with 250 lessons about English and computer science. Example, we have dealt with likes and dislikes in English, explained in French and wolof. We have also dealt with lesson 7, jobs and places of work, as well as family members, sama kër, in wolof and French and English. And lately we dealt with lesson 14. It was about vocabulary, clause and colors. So in today's lesson number 16, we are going to deal with reading comprehension, text number 1. So today is our first reading comprehension activity on this program, Apprendre l'anglais, njàngum anglais ci wolof, learning English, explanations in English, in French and in wolof for beginners. When you have a question, when you have a text, reading comprehension, the first thing to do is try to understand the text. Okay? My family. Hello, my name is Awa. I am 10 years old. I live with my family. My father, Mr. Job, is 45 and he is a doctor. My mother, Mrs. Fai, is 40 and she is a teacher. My brother, Amadou, is 18. He wears a blue shirt and works as a driver. My sister Fatou is 15 and she likes red dresses. Paragraph 2. I don't like green clothes, but I love yellow t-shirts. On Monday, I go to school. On Tuesday, I play football. I don't like Sundays because I clean my room. My grandfather, Papa Samba, is 70. He is a farmer. My grandmother, Mam Jara, is 68 and cooks every day. Let's read a second time. Hello, my name is Awa. I am 10 years old. I live with my family. My father, Mr. Job, is 45 and he is a doctor. My mother, Mrs. Fai, is 40 and she is a teacher. My brother Amadou is 18. He wears a blue shirt and works as a driver. My sister Fatou is 15 and she likes red dresses. I don't like green clothes, but I love yellow t-shirts. On Monday, I go to school. On Tuesday, I play football. I don't like Sundays because I clean my room. My grandfather, Papa Samba, is 70. He is a farmer. My grandmother, Mam Jara, is 78 and she cooks every day. So here is our text. Now questions. Question, nice picture. True or false question, justify by quoting the text. Here you have question. For example, question number 1. Awa is 10 years old. Awa a 10 ans. Awa a 10 ans. D'après le texte, est-ce vrai ou faux? Si c'est vrai, on met true, T-R-U-E. Si c'est false, on met F-A-L-S. So you have true, false. True qui veut dire vrai, dëgg la. False qui veut dire du dëgg, c'est faux. So Awa is 10 years old. Awa a 10 ans. Number 2. Awa's mother is a doctor. La maman de Awa est un médecin. Amadou wears a blue shirt and works as a driver. Amadou s'habille en bleu, t-shirt bleu ou bien chemise bleue et il travaille en tant que chauffeur. Amadou s'habille en chemise bleue et travaille comme chauffeur. Okay, Amadou s'habille en bleu et travaille comme chauffeur. Fatou likes green dresses. Fatou aime les robes vertes. Vrai ou faux? On va justifier aussi. And number 5, Papa Samba is a farmer. and he is 70 years old. Papa Samba est un fermier, cultivateur, et il a 70 ans. On va commencer par la première question. Let us start with question number 1. So, Awa is 10 years old. Let us see the text. On va voir le texte. Qu'est-ce que le texte dit? Hello, my name is Awa. I am 10 years old. Salut, je m'appelle Awa. J'ai 10 ans. Salam alaikum. maa ngi tudd Awa. Fukki at la am. Donc la phrase là, elle est vraie ou fausse? Awa is 10 years old. It is true. It is true because Awa says I am 10 years old. So it is true. It's okay? Question number 2. Awa's mother is a doctor. La mère de Awa, la maman de Awa est un docteur. Vrai ou faux? On va voir le texte. Let's see the text. Hello, my name is Awa. I am 10 years old. I live with my family. My father, Mr. Job, is 45 and he's a doctor. Donc, le père de Awa est un médecin. Mais sa maman, my mother, Mrs. Faye, is 40 and she's a teacher. Ma maman, Madame Faye, a 40 ans et elle est professeure. Donc, cette phrase-là qui veut dire que Awa, la mère de Awa est un médecin, c'est faux. La mère de Awa, qui est Mrs. Faye, est une enseignante, un professeur. So, it is false. Because my mother, Mrs. Faye, is 40 and she is a teacher. Donc ici, on dit si c'est vrai ou bien si c'est faux. Ensuite, on montre la partie du texte qui montre si c'est vrai ou bien si c'est faux. Number 3. Amadou wears a blue shirt and works as a driver. So, Amadou porte une chemise bleue et c'est un chauffeur. On va voir. En rouge, my brother Amadou, 18, he wears a blue shirt and works as a driver. Mon frère Amadou a 18 ans. Il porte une chemise bleue et travaille en tant que chauffeur. Donc, cette phrase-là, it is true. C'est vrai, dëgg la. It is true. So, Amadou is 18. He wears a blue shirt and works as a driver. Number 4. Fatou likes green dresses. Fatou aime les vêtements verts. Fatou aime les robes vertes. Allons voir en rouge ici. My sister Fatou is 15 and she likes red dresses. Ma sœur Fatou a 15 ans et aime les robes vertes, aime les vêtements verts. Donc ici on dira quoi? Que c'est vrai. It is false. Ici, on a dit que Fatou aime les vêtements rouges. Fatou likes red dresses. Red qui veut dire rouge. Ici, on a dit vert, donc la phrase elle est fausse. Pourquoi? Voici la phrase. My sister Fatou is 15 and she likes red dresses. Question number 5. Papa Samba is a farmer and he is 70 years old. Papa Samba est un fermier, un cultivateur. Et il a 70 ans. C'est mon grand-père. Donc, vrai ou faux? Papa Samba is 70. L'âge, c'est vrai. He is a farmer. Aussi, c'est vrai. Donc, it is true. So, true because Papa Samba, my grandfather, is 70 and he is a farmer. Donc, recapitulation. Awa is 10 years old. It is true because my name is Awa. I am 10 years old. Dans le texte. Awa's mother is a doctor. It is false because Awa's mother is a teacher. He says, my mother is a teacher. Amadou wears a blue shirt and works as a driver. It is true. The text says Amadou is 18. He wears a blue shirt and works as a driver. Number 4. Fatou likes green dresses. Fatou aime les vêtements verts, les robes vertes. C'est faux. It is false. My sister Fatou is 15 and she likes red dresses. Red dresses. Number 5. Papa Samba is a farmer and he is 70 years old. It is true. The text says Papa Samba is 70 and he is a farmer. Part 3. Read the text and answer the following questions. What is Awa's father's job? Quel est le métier du père de Awa? How old is Awa's sister, Fatou? Quel est l'âge de la sœur de Awa qui s'appelle Fatou? What color of clothes does Awa like? Quelle est la couleur de vêtements que Awa aime? Why doesn't Awa like Sundays? Pourquoi Awa n'aime pas les dimanches? Who is Mam Jara and what does she do every day? Qui est Mam Jara et qu'est-ce qu'il fait tous les jours? Let's go now. Number 1. What is Awa's father's job? My father, Mr. Job, is 45 and he's a doctor. So Awa's father is a doctor. Yes, he's a doctor. Number 2. How old is Awa's sister? Quel est l'âge de la sœur de Awa qu'on appelle Fatou? Le texte dit, my sister Fatou is 15. Ma sœur Fatou a 15 ans. So, Awa's sister Fatou is 15. Ou bien seulement Fatou is 15. You can only say Fatou is 15. Il y a le point aussi que j'ai pas mis, il faut le mettre. What color of clothes does Awa like? Yes, but I love yellow. Ici, Awa a dit, I don't like green clothes. Je n'aime pas les vêtements verts, mais j'aime les t-shirts jaunes. Donc, on peut supposer que Awa aime la couleur jaune. So, Awa likes yellow. Awa likes yellow, jaune. Why doesn't Awa like Sunday? Pourquoi Awa n'aime pas les dimanches? Pourquoi? So, I don't like Sundays because I clean my room. Je n'aime pas les dimanches parce que les dimanches, je travaille, je nettoie ma chambre. Donc, so, Awa doesn't like Sundays because she cleans her room. It's funny. Who is Mam Jara and what does she do every day? Qui est Mam Jara et qu'est-ce qu'il fait tous les jours? My grandmother Mam Jara, ma grand-mère Mam Jara. Donc, Mam Jara, c'est la grand-mère de Ami. Ami, c'est lui qui parle. C'est elle qui parle. And is 68 and cooks every day. Et chaque jour, elle cuisine tous les jours. Donc, si on vous demande qui est Mam Jara et qu'est-ce qu'elle fait tous les jours? Mam Jara is Awa's grandmother and cooks every day. Cooks every day. Yes, and here you have number 3. Match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. Last activity. Here you have in column A, farmer, dress, driver, Tuesday, teacher. In column B, you have a person who drives a car for work. B, a day when Awa plays football. C, a piece of clothing for girls. D, a person who grows food. E, a person who helps students. Matching. 1 égale à quoi ici? 1 c'est farmer. Farmer égale à quoi? A farmer is a person who grows food. Un fermier, un cultivateur, c'est quelqu'un qui cultive la nourriture. Oui, c'est vrai, donc 1 égale D. It's okay? Yes, number 2, a dress. What is a dress? A dress is a piece of clothing. C. Donc, une robe, c'est un vêtement. A piece of clothing, it is C. So, 2 is C. 2 égale C. Number 3. Number 3, driver. Let us have a look. A driver is a person who drives a car for work. Le chauffeur, c'est quelqu'un qui conduit la voiture comme travail. So, it is 3 is A. Number 4, what is 4? Tuesday. Tuesday is a day when Awa plays football. So, Tuesday is a day. Tuesday, c'est mardi, donc c'est un jour. Okay? Now, teacher is a person who helps students learn. Very good. So, we have 1 is D, 2 is C, 3 is A, 4 is B, and 5 is E. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner à la chaîne IBRAHIMA NGOM ATTITUDE pour votre formation en anglais, pour vos concours, vos examens, bac, BFM. Allez, goodbye.